Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Singh. Welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing really great. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss about Docker, and the next thing I'm gonna set up a Docker client and engine in this Ubuntu scene, and after that I will run this Docker Hello World. And in the next video, I will run the fast API application with the Docker. Okay, so move back to the topic. So first thing, what is Docker? So Docker is basically containerization technique. So the next thing comes to the mind, what is containers, right? So basically, application that run in an isolated environment or runtime called container, right? And the next thing come into the mind, what container have actually, what they hold, right? So basically, container in the container will basically encapsulate or wrap an application with all its dependency, including system libraries, binaries, and configuration files. This all in one package makes an application portable by enabling it to you know behave consistently across different hosts. That's allow developer to write once and run almost anywhere. So what exactly it's mean? For example, you are a developer. Okay, before moving forward, let's first understand what is the problem statement that we have, which basically solved by that basically we can solve through the Docker. So, for example, let's say we have to run fast API application. What's basic thing is required? But first thing, we have to we need host machine. It could be Windows, it could be Mac OS, it could be Ubuntu operating system, right? The next thing, we have to uh, clone or whatever the code is required to run application. Then we have to install its packages, whatever it's required, right? Then we can run it, right? So it's required. Now we can see that it's required many effort to run the application, which take time. Might be you completed one setup, but some other developer wanted to set up the same thing or same application, same with the same code base. It could create a problem in this machine because the dependencies that could be different. It could be varying, right? So basically container solve this problem. Basically we can create a container. So basically we can push this container into the image registry. So for example, Docker Hub is an example of container registry, and AWS ECR is again a kind of example of container registry, right? So Docker again is a not and the like one only which provide a containerization technique. So there we having more player in this field. For example, Podman, Containerd, and we having also more, right? Okay, so without delay, let's move to the practical thing. So I'm gonna install the Docker in my Ubuntu scene. So let's Google it. Okay, and so before that, I'm gonna so you like I don't have Docker installed. I'm gonna install along with you. To first, we have to check the Docker status because Docker is gonna be service. Okay, it's a unit Docker service could not be found. It means like we do not have the Docker right now. So first thing, I'm gonna log in with the root user. Then I'm gonna follow the instructions whichever given by the official documentation. We can choose like operating system different. You can follow the different instruction, right? Okay, that's done. The next thing, okay, it's asking about confirmation. It's already exist. Great. let's update it. That's also done. Now I'm gonna install client and all the engine stuff. It's gonna take some time. I think we are almost there. Okay, now I'm getting this error. So what exactly it's mean? Let's Google it. Option to fix the process. Okay, let's copy and try to execute. Okay, I hope this will fix. Let's check the Docker status. Okay, great. Now Docker is running fine. That's clear. So the installation part is done. Right now, now we can run the Docker hello world. So this is gonna prove like we are okay with the Docker setup in our machine. It's basically pulling the Docker hello world image from the Docker hub. Right, so that part is done. Now if I wanted to run it, I have to execute this, and if I will see this output, it's mean like we are good to go. Let's clear the screen. Okay, now you can match it, right? Everything is as per the expectation. So we are done with the Docker setup, and we also tested like a Docker is working fine in our in this machine. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will give a little bit clarity about what is Docker, what is containerization. Thank you so much.